Interrogative adjectives. Make your questions shine. Hello there, English enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a fantastic corner of the English language, interrogative adjectives. If you're asking, what are they? You're already on the right track. Let's unlock the mystery together. First things first. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. They're typically found in front of nouns, and they directly modify these nouns to form queries. In English, we mainly use three interrogative adjectives: what, which, and whose. Let's consider some examples. 1. What book are you reading? 2. Which color do you prefer, blue or red? 3. Whose jacket is this? You might be wondering, why would I need to rewrite sentences with interrogative adjectives? Well, doing so can enhance your vocabulary, improve your sentence structure, and help you ask better questions. Let's take a look at a few examples. Original sentence: is this book yours? Rewritten sentence: whose book is this? Original sentence: do you prefer the color blue or red? Rewritten sentence: which color do you prefer, blue or red? By rearranging and introducing interrogative adjectives, you're adding more depth and flexibility to your English skills. Now, let's get to some exercises. These will help you put what you've learned into practice. 1. Rewrite this sentence using an interrogative adjective. Is this pencil hers? 2. Rewrite this sentence using an interrogative adjective. Do you want the apple or the orange? That's all for today's lesson on interrogative adjectives. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice rewriting sentences with interrogative adjectives, the more natural it'll feel. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!